What is up, people? Welcome back to another video. Today we're just doing some service on the lawnmower, kind of getting it ready for winter time because it's starting to get fall now, and gonna be doing a lot less grass cutting and a lot more leaf blowing. In my yard I do a lot of leaf blowing, hardly ever do any grass cutting because my grass usually dies about this time of year. So gonna be doing a service on the lawnmower. Like I said, we're gonna be doing just check tires. I'm gonna try to do an oil change, check everything else, and a good pressure wash, mainly underneath the deck, because there's a lot of grass usually stuck underneath there. I'll show you what we're working on. We're gonna be working on MTD Gold hydrostatic. It's a 42-inch cut. This is a 20 horse Kohler. It's a good motor. The only thing is the carb floods out if I don't. I had to put on the little on-off valve for the carbs. The carburetors on these things are junk, and it tends to flood out if you don't turn the gas off when you're not using it. We get started on all that. I don't know what I'm gonna do first. Probably try to change the oil first, that way if I spill it everywhere I can pressure wash it off. cleaned. Got the whole tractor cleaned. We got the 2 grease fittings greased. Really the only 2 on the tractors in the front where the wheels come through the axle. We got the blade sharpened. We got the oil changed. I didn't change the filter because it's relatively new. I changed it at the beginning of the season, so we didn't change it too. Just drained all the old oil out of it and put it back on. So we sharpened the blades, cleaned the whole thing, cleaned the air filter. So it's pretty good for the winter, I guess. Probably only get 1 or 2, maybe 3 more cuts out of it before we have to put it away for the winter. So yeah, and I'll come back and make a winterizing video when I do that. Appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below there. We'll see you in the next one.